What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In the main questline, Chapter 9, you'll have a quest for Face the Inner Self. Completing this unlocks on the map all the way down here, changing the map at this position over here. It unlocks the island Ascetic's Rest. In this guide, I'll show you how to complete the puzzle on this island, ticking off the challenge for it. This one, when you spawn in and come across the teleporter, drops you into this location where previously we went right and did everything up there, and inside of this room, you'll find this little point of interaction. What we need to do instead is head in here and to the left towards this little tower, which behind it has a few palmer pills that are useful to pick up if you haven't already, as well as a chest right next to it. May have had those in it, though I'm pretty sure it'll be random. And looking towards the statue from where we came, to the left of it down here is a secret pathway that leads us out, downstairs, and into this little hidden area down here. In this area, we'll need to attack this wall using both left and right click, or left and right attack, doing a little charged attack to get it to leak water. And once you have, you can then head back upstairs, where you'll find that the pool of water should now be drained out, showing us this down here. There also seems to be this, which I assume you can use the wind force on, or whatever it's called, but that's the simplest way around it. Down here, you'll find this little powered block, which we can then pull out and take back upstairs, which allows us to finish that super simple puzzle. So we'll just use the axiom force to pull it towards us, bring it upstairs, and into this room over here. Once it's in this room, you'll see just to the right the place where it needs to go, and once we put it in the right place, the leaves show, meaning we can get our way up to it, fly and force palm to stick it into place. Then this little vault door next to it should be activated, and all we need to do is to climb onto this and force palm it as such. Just like that, you finish this little puzzle. But yeah, that's basically it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.